Hi everyone, Tootie DeMarco here, and Donna.
Hi everybody.
We're here to talk about our Dream On battery adapter for the early Honda Dreams. The ones taking the long, narrow battery. The heart of this unit is the Motobac AGM battery with 90 cold cranking amps. We then machined a piece of plastic the same size as the OEM battery, and then we bolted them together, and we have a cover for it. Okay. With this combination, it is a much better alternative, and it is a real upgrade from the old acid-filled batteries of yesteryear. Now, here's some of the advantages of our Dream On battery adapter. Now, I've tested this in my own motorcycle for over a year, and I can say that it has never started any easier or been any more dependable than it is now. Now, if this interests you, you can contact me on Facebook, Tootie DeMarco, or email me, DeMarco's Taxidermy at Frontier.com. Thank you.